You just spilled a gallon of water in your basement, or maybe it's sawdust, nails, and mud from a renovation. Your regular vacuum dies immediately. So what do? You need a wet-dry vacuum, but here's the problem. Not all of them work when you need them most. I secretly tested 5 of the best-selling wet-dry vacs for weeks. 1 overheated, 1 lost suction, and 1 actually surprised me. Stay till the end, because the pick might not be the one you think. Let's begin. Starting at number 1. Tineco Floor 1S7 Stretch Ultra Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Tineco leads the way when it comes to the best mop vacs. The feature that Tineco pioneered early on in its floor care and continues to prioritize in its models today is the Dirt Detect technology, which enables the vacuum to recognize dirt and stains and automatically increase suction and mopping power to clean the floor. Not only does the Tineco S7 Stretch Ultra feature Dirt Detect technology, but it also boasts superb dual-edge cleaning technology and an anti-tangle brush roll that is consistently rinsed to deliver clean water. We were impressed by the Auto, Max, and Suction for liquid spills modes, as well as how well the Tineco S7 Stretch Ultra cleaned all kinds of small and large, dry or wet messes, typically in a single pass. The LCD screen isn't as large and doesn't feature an animated assistant, great at first, but the novelty wears off. But S7 Stretch Ultra is a great successor thanks to its lie-flat design to reach fully under low furniture like beds and couches, and upgrades like heated drying features the S7 Pro lacks. The lie-flat ability caused a design change. The clean water tank is now located on top of the vacuum head, and the floor head is now bulkier and wouldn't fit under kitchen cabinets. It also ditched the LED lights I loved on the S7 Pro. The battery life is advertised at 50 minutes, which is possible on auto mode if your floors aren't that dirty, but in my testing, the battery lasted about 32 minutes. This was still plenty of time to clean my 1,600 square foot house. In fact, the clean water tank didn't have to be refilled until the 20-minute mark, and the dirty water tank emptied at the 28-minute mark. Number 2. Narwal S30 Pro. One of my early gripes with wet-dry vacuums is that after cleaning your floors, you had to dedicate time to cleaning out the machine, which oftentimes meant interacting with some icky debris. The S30 Pro offers hot water self-cleaning and hot air drying, plus innovative features like a waste separation bag and built-in scissors that cut off any hair that wraps. It also has the ability to lie flat and boasts an auto detergent dispenser. The S30 Pro came very close to being our overall pick. There were small nitpicky things that prevented it from being chosen, like the AI smart function not reading a very dirty area near my back door, and I didn't notice any difference in the water output between AI smart mode and wood floor mode. It cleaned almost every mess on the first pass. Dried ketchup took 2 passes, but practically no extra effort or time on my part. The S30 Pro features 5 modes: Max, AI Smart, Suction, Quiet, and wood floor modes, a battery that lasts 31 minutes, and the ability to easily pick up all sizes of debris and wet messes, thanks to its dirt and stain detecting technology. Where it shines is with front and edge cleaning, as it cleans within 1 centimeter of an edge. Amazingly, I didn't have to refill the clean water tank until right before the battery died. Number 3. Bissell CrossWave OmniForce Multi-Surface Hard Floor Cleaner Wet-Dry Vacuum. This affordable buy is a great option for pet owners, considering the tangle-free brush roll does a fantastic job of grabbing pet hair. You can use it on any type of surface, whether as a wet-dry vacuum or a vacuum, which is a rare feature in most wet-dry vacuums. Essentially, you can ensure your rugs and hard floors remain clean and odor-free with the Bissell. It fits under cabinets, too, despite not being able to lie flat and operating with a bit of noise. I love that it notifies you with a noise and flashing symbol on the LCD screen when you need to empty the dirty water tank, refill the clean water tank, or charge it. I was able to clean my entire home before the 30-minute battery life expired, although the water tank had to be refilled twice at the 14, and, for the most part, the Bissell CrossWave OmniForce cleans well. The turbo mode, however, quickens the process of lifting stubborn messes, such as dried ketchup or chocolate syrup. Sometimes you just need a little more water for tougher stains. The front and edge cleaning left about an inch of space between the vacuum and the wall. I noticed that if you reverse over large debris or something like coffee grounds, they may get stuck behind the wheels. The self-cleaning system is a major upgrade to the previous Bissell CrossWave Pet Pro I tested. That initial model, which required the extra step of manually pouring water into the base, and it was corded. This one was more automatic. Its self-cleaning system wasn't strong enough to completely remove the dirt and debris that clung to the brush roll's long fibers, so hand washing was necessary, followed by letting the brush roll's air dry overnight. It also doesn't have any drying capabilities. Number 4. Roborock F25. The battery lasted for 34 minutes on auto and up to 60 minutes on eco mode. With fantastic edge and front cleaning, it goes within a centimeter of walls for the most thorough cleaning possible. Again, this model was also too thick to reach under the toe kick, but it could lean back flat to go under furniture. Take note that the vacuum doesn't automatically pause when you lock it upright. In fact, it'll keep moving if you don't turn it off. The Dirt Detect technology is a game changer for adjusting suction power. It ensures that you don't miss any hard-to-see dirt, debris, stains, or pet hair. Although it's not as perfect as I would have liked, since it didn't indicate that my mudroom floors were dirty, even though I could see dirt on the ground. Max mode yields excellent results on large debris, provided you clean in a forward motion. Coffee grounds and cereal got stuck behind the wheels when we cleaned in reverse. Thankfully, you won't have to refill the clean water tank constantly. It seems to utilize the water efficiently to the point where I didn't have to refill it until right before the battery died. Number 5. Tineco Floor 1 S9 Artist Pro Wet Dry Vacuum. The S9 lasted an impressive 58 minutes on auto mode, which is about twice as long as most wet dry vacuums. It even recharges faster than most in only 3 hours. The larger water tank also ensured I didn't have to refill the clean water tank until the 37-minute mark or empty the dirty water tank until I cleaned for 47 minutes. This wet-dry vacuum maximizes the clean water tank efficiently, and trust me when I say that it does a fantastic job at pulling up unseen dirt, debris, spills, and stains with its dirt-detecting capabilities. Whenever I emptied the dirty water tank, there was always a thick amount of sludge at the bottom, indicating that nothing was left unseen on my floors. If only the vacuum head weren't so thick, which prevented it from fitting under my kitchen cabinet. Interestingly, the body of the wet-dry vacuum has a 90-degree swivel design, allowing me to twist around furniture as I cleaned. You'll typically only need one pass to pick up any type of wet or dry mess. A rubber scraper, which acts as a squeegee, in the floor head aids in a streak-free clean and picking up all manners of mess, while dual-edge cleaning ensures that there are no gaps between the sides of the vacuum and a wall or piece of furniture. I also didn't detect any space between the front edge of the vacuum and a wall when vacuuming straight on. If all that wasn't enough, dual-layer scrapers prevent hair from tangling around the brush and causing any clogs or interruption in your cleaning. That's the list wet-dry vacuums that actually deliver, but here's the thing, prices change, and deals disappear fast. The links to buy these exact models are waiting for you in the description box below. If this video saved you time or money, do me 2 favors, hit that like button. It helps more people find real reviews, share this with someone who just made a mess in their garage, and subscribe, so you never buy the wrong tool again. I see you in the next test. Go clean up.